You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this expression? Mon chouchou. It means my chouchou is like an affectionate word to designate somebody that you kind of like, generally used for kids, like my little darling, if you wish. Mon is French for my. Chouchou, chouchou, yes, ch in French is pronounced like sh, so it's not chouchou. Mon chouchou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.